Hello, everyone. My name is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Today is our fourth video in a series of videos related to understanding exponent rules. And today we're going to continue with our second video as it relates to the power product rule. And remember, we just keep the base and multiply the exponents in this case. And we have big example 5, big example 6, big example 7, and big example 8 to study. And so let's begin with big example 5, in which we have the quantity of b times c raised to the power of 3. We're just going to distribute this exponent inside the parentheses, and now we have b raised to the third power times c raised to the third power. All right, and let's go to big example 6, in which we have 6c raised to the fourth power. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to follow the format and the design just like we did with big example 5, because we're going to distribute that power to the 6, and we're going to distribute that power to the c. And so now we have our answer as 6 raised to the fourth power times c raised to the fourth power. And let's dig ourselves into big example 7. Let's kind of focus in on this one. All right, because we're just taking it a little step higher each time. And so let's say we have the quantity of 5wz raised to the second power. So I'm just going to repeat that. We have 5 times w times z raised to the second power. All this right here, this quantity right here raised to the fifth power. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to distribute that fifth power inside the parentheses, just like we did with big example 5 and big example 6. And so now we have right here 5 raised to the fifth power, and let's put that right here. So we have 5 raised to the fifth power, w raised to the fifth power, and remember, we're going to multiply the exponents in this case. So we have z raised to the second power, and we're going to multiply that by 5 right here. And so now we have z raised to the 10th power. All right, so we're staying true to the rule of the power product rule. And let's apply that same logic to big example 8, in which we have the quantity of -4 a squared b to the fourth power, all that inside the parentheses raised to the third power. And we're simply going to distribute that 3 inside the parentheses. And so now we have a -4 raised to the third power, as you see right there. We're going to multiply this 3 times this 2, so that will give us a to the 6th power. And then we're going to do the same thing by multiplying these exponents, which will give us b to the 12th power. And so I'm just going to repeat that just to deepen our understanding of this. And so now we have a -4 raised to the third power times a raised to the 6th power times b raised to the 12th power. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video and just take a look at the 5, or I should say the 4 big examples if you like, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of the power product rule. All right, remember to please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.